Big Data Ignite is a collection of people coming together that are all working around big data.
Big Data Ignite 2018 was a great opportunity to meet some new people, a great opportunity to learn from both companies and practitioners.
Big Data Ignite is the best way to learn about data and analytics and meet people in that discipline in West Michigan.
We try hard to bring people together and to create an environment that is engaging and attractive.
Big Data Ignite is an opportunity for me to make new connections.
The field of data sciences is only growing. It's becoming much more important in every business.
See, in the field of big data, IoT and cloud computing, within the realm of these three pillars, you can solve just about everything.
It's pretty unique to have an entire conference dedicated to networking and to bringing together big data ideas.
I keep coming back because it's such an engaging experience.
We decided to sponsor Big Data Ignite because a majority of our biggest customers in Michigan were also here as attendees and speakers. And we really wanted to grow the local analyst population because that's going to help us as we need to recruit in the future.
There is no event like Big Data Ignite in the region. It's affordable, great speakers, great networking opportunities right here in Grand Rapids.
I'd really recommend you checking this out as a way to get connected.
All data all the time.